Alright guys, today we are reviewing the Springfield XDS. Springfield, USA, made in Croatia. Awesome guns. Let's get a close-up look at it and then we'll get right to the shooting. Alright guys, there it is. The Springfield Armory USA XDS. This one's a 9mm. Comes with two different mags. I have an extra one, an 8-rounder and a 7-rounder. This one is a little shorter. This one is the flush fit so that it gets the little pinky extension there. Feels good in the hand, good sights, and it just shoots really well, super accurate. Let's get to the footage. .115 grain full metal jacket, Remington. Works good. Alright guys, that concludes our review of the Springfield Armory XDS 9mm. This thing shoots good, it's reliable. You know, the only thing I had happen was, and it could be just how I was gripping the gun, was, you know, the slide wouldn't lock back all the time, but when I was using, you know, good premium ammo, it locked back every time. So, great gun, I recommend it. You know, it's just, man, it's just a solid shooter. You can see there, you know, it's just got the good sights. Excellent gun, totally recommend it. If you like it, get one. We have about 1,600 rounds through it and we haven't had a single malfunction. So again, it's a solid performer, feels good in the hand, great carry gun, and thanks for all your guys' support.